We have to find maximum and minimum points. We will use second derivative tests. So first we have to find first derivative. Don't forget, because we have implicit relation, we have to treat y as a differentiable function of x. So first derivative of x squared is 2x, derivative of y squared is 2y times y prime minus 4 plus 2 and times y prime. This is equal, derivative of 4 is 0. Now I will collect terms with y prime on the left side. So will be 2y times y prime plus 2y prime. This is equal 4 minus 2x. We can factorize y prime, so we have 2y plus 2 equals 4 minus 2x. I will divide both sides by 2y plus 2. We can reduce these terms, so we have y prime is equal, and we can factorize 2 in numerator, so it will be 2 minus x over the same in denominator. 2 will be y plus 1. 2 and 2 we can reduce, so we have numerator 2 minus x and denominator y plus 1. Now to find critical points, we have to check when y prime is equal 0. If and only if y2 minus x is equal 0, because the denominator cannot be 0. So we have x equals 2. Now when we have x, we come back to our original formula, and you have to find the y for x equals 2. So we will replace x's by 2. So we have 2 to second power plus y squared minus 4 times 2 plus 2y equals 4. So 4 plus y squared minus 8 plus 2y. I will move 4 to the left side, so it will be negative 4 equals 0. Now we can combine the like terms. 4 and negative 4 we can reduce. And we have only negative 8. So first is y squared plus 2y minus 8 equals 0. We have quadratic equation. We have to find two numbers which multiply by each other give us negative 8, and when I add them I will have 2. So it will be y minus 2 times y plus 4, because negative 2 times 4 is negative 8 and negative 2 plus 4 is 2. This is equal 0 when y minus 2 is equal 0 or y plus 4 is equal 0. So we have y equals 2 or y equals negative 4. So for x equals 2, we got y equals 2 and y equals negative 4. So we have 2 points of 0 slope. So it's 2, negative 4 and 2, 2. Now we have to calculate the second derivative and check the value of second derivative for these 2 points. When we get negative number, we will have maximum. When we get positive number, we will have minimum at the given point. So let's find the second derivative first. We have to use quotient rule. This is our first derivative. So let's write this. When we have u over v derivative is equal v times u derivative minus u times v over v squared. So in our case, u is equal 2 minus x, v is equal y plus 1. So first we have to copy denominator. So we have y plus 1 times derivative of 2 minus x is minus 1 minus Now we have 2 minus x times derivative of y plus 1 is 1 times y prime. Don't forget we have to treat y as a differentiable function of x. Over we have y plus 1 to second power. Now we can replace y by 2 minus x over y plus 1. So we will have denominator stay the same to second power. And we can do multiplication. Negative 1 times y is negative y. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. And we have minus 2 in parentheses minus x times we have y plus 1 in denominator and numerator is 2 minus x. So this is equal negative y negative 1 minus 2 minus x, because this is the same, to second power over y plus 1. Because we have fraction in numerator, I will change to fraction these two numbers. So the numerator I just copy. This is equal. And I have to now multiply this number by y plus 1. So it will be in denominator y plus 1, in numerator the negative 1 times y plus 1 minus negative 1, the same we have to do, times y plus 1 minus, and we have 2 minus x to second power over y plus 1, everything over y plus 1 to second power. We can take down this y plus 1, so we will have y plus 1 to third power, because this is like to first power, and when we do multiplication we add exponents. 1 plus 2 is 3. And our numerator, negative y times y is negative y squared. Negative y times 1 is negative y minus y minus 1. And we can use formula square of difference. This is equal x a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And because we have negative sign before parentheses, we have to change the sign inside parentheses. So will be negative 4 plus 4x minus x squared. So this is equal. Now we can combine the like terms. The numerator we just copy. And we will have negative y squared, negative 2y, negative 1, negative 4 is negative 5, plus 4x minus x squared. We have our second derivative. Now we have calculate the value of second derivative for the first point is 2, negative 4. So at 2, negative 4, the second derivative will be, we have to replace x by 2, y by negative 4. So in the numerator will be negative 4 plus 1 to third power. In numerator we will have negative sign, just copy, negative 4 to second power minus 2 times negative 4 minus 5 plus 4 times 2 minus 2 to second power. This is equal. The numerator will be negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3 to third power is negative 27, and numerator will be negative 16 plus 8 is negative 8. 5 is negative 13 plus 8 is negative 5 minus 4 is negative 9. So we can reduce the sign, will be positive, and 9 with 27 will be 1/3. Is greater than 0, it means at point 2, negative 4, we will have minimum. Now we have to calculate the second derivative for point 2, 2. So now we will replace x and y by 2. So this is equal negative sign. We have 2 to second power minus 2 times 2 minus 5 plus 4 times 2 minus 2 to second power over 2 plus 1 to third power. This is equal 3 to third power is 27. This is our denominator, and numerator will be negative 4. Negative 4 will be negative 8. Negative 13 plus 8 is negative 5 plus negative 4 is negative 9. So this is negative 1/3. This is less than 0. It means at point 2, 2 we have maximum. This is my solution.